Patented 360 thermoiq technology. The dual blaze features dual heating elements, and our patented automatic temperature control make real-time temperature adjustments during cooking. Precise temperature control and our smart temperature algorithm ensure evenly cooked food without any shaking or flipping. Superior basket, better taste. Our improved pure aluminum basket stores 3 times the amount of heat and conducts heat more effectively than traditional iron baskets, delivering better tasting food in less time. Customize your cooking. Explore more possibilities by customizing and saving 10 cooking functions with your preferred time and temperature. Air fry, bake, broil, roast, chicken, steak, seafood, veggies, fries, and frozen. More space, less stacking. Fit up to 17 chicken wings in the large 6.8-quart basket without having to stack them on top of each other so they cook more evenly. Cook smarter. The free VSync app lets you control your air fryer remotely, monitor cooking progress, and activate voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for effortless cooking. Mouthwatering recipes. Get inspired with hundreds of creative and easy-to-follow online recipes from our professional COSORI chefs. Whether you're cooking an appetizer, entree, or dessert, we have the perfect recipe for you. Scan to cook. Use the free VSync app to scan multiple types of frozen foods for easy-to-follow cooking instructions and to view your food's nutrition facts. Dishwasher safe. The nonstick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, so cleaning is never a worry. Top reviews from the United States. Top of the line, buy now. This dual blaze COSORI is top of the line. Buy now. Update your prior 2020 models. So easy, no smells, no midway flipping or shaking. It's awesome. I'm glad I held out and did my research. Buy with confidence. And for all those foodies who think this is just a passing trend, think of it as a mini convection oven to crisp up sides without using the large oven. It's a kitchen game changer. And for those in the know, enjoy.